All right, so it's the holidays.
Yes, happy holidays and happy dry December.
Yeah, we got quite the drink here today.
Yes, I decided to play around with peppermint, cranberry, and Wilderton's Aperitivo. And it's made with bitter orange, grapefruit, orange blossom, aromatic herbs. It's lush and zesty. It is bittersweet. It is on the sweet side as well. 1.5 fluid ounces is 8 grams of sugar, so it's on the sweeter side, but it's so strong you don't need a lot.
Yeah.
It really goes a long way.
A long ways.
So we've already tried it on its own, so I'm just going to mix it up while Donovan tells us a Christmas story.
Well, Donovan tells us a Christmas story. You know, I've had this this idea for a long time of Santa Claus special forces. The world needs to have this, you know, spirit of generosity, because that's really what this season is about. And for me, there's kind of become a lot of consumerism over the past 10, 20 years. And for me, I'm trying to focus this year on just the spirit of giving. You know, we all have so much, and there's so much to be grateful for. And the spirit of giving and of generosity, and making it more about hanging out with the family rather than, you know, having to buy stuff and go into debt. So,
or friends. You don't always
or friends,
have
yeah.
with
Friends
family.
too.
Sometimes you have a found family.
Exactly. We have cranberry juice.
Yes. And then I made a peppermint syrup. I added a little bit of peppermint extract to it, and I used it with those peppermint candies that you find at the store this time of year. Mix it up with some water. So I'm going to pour this in my already bedazzled with edible glitter.
Yeah, this looks incredible.
Glass.
So it has a candy cane rim, and then it has this edible glitter from prism powder. That, yeah, it looks like a little snowfield in there. That is beautiful.
And I'm going to top it off with tonic water.
Little fever tree, which is a grape mixer.
And let me get your straw.
I'm hypnotized by the drink.
And if you take a piece of rosemary and you turn it upside down, it kind of looks like a little Christmas tree. Yeah. So I'm going to put that on the edge.
Especially we got some nice little blue flowers on there. That is pretty.
So it's got some sparkles, it's got some peppermint and rosemary. It's a very, very wintry drink, but it is still spritz, and so you could definitely have this before dinner, I think.
Yeah, and you're gonna blow your friends away with this. It's beautiful. Whoa, there's a lot of peppermint there.
I did put a lot of peppermint in there, but that's how I like it. You can dial it back. You don't have to put as much as I did. I'll put the recipe in the description box below. And if you feel like it's needing a little bit more of cranberry or a little bit more of aperitivo, you can adjust it to your liking. You don't have to follow this exactly. I like mine on the more tart side, and a little bit more minty.
Yeah, this is the cranberry is tart, but so is the aperitivo, and in my opinion, this goes like, yeah, it's a lot of grapefruit. So if grapefruit's a really intense flavor for you, then you know you might want to dial that back. But this is
it's pretty
delish,
Christmassy,
especially with the candy cane rim. The aperitivo just recently came out, and it's $35.
Yeah, $35, and you can get it from Wilderton's website. You can get it from Boisson. You can get it from Better Roads, I believe. It is part of a package deal. If you want to get all 3 of them on Wilderton's website right now, you can. I think that's a great idea. Get all 3 of them, and I haven't played around with mixing this one with the other flavors yet. I've just been enjoying it on its own in spritzes so far.
Yeah, and you've had this bottle somewhere around a month, and no?
No.
Oh.
No, they sent me a new one.
Oh, they did? Okay.
Oh, yeah, no. The first bottle is long gone.
Okay. I was wondering, it's pretty full there.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
No, the first bottle I used with pomegranate juice, and that was a delicious drink. Now it's with cranberry juice.
Yeah. So I like the sugarcane rim to add a little bit of extra sweetness, a dash of sweetness to the...
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and when you're making your peppermint simple syrup, you don't have to put as much extra peppermint flavoring in here. You can just have it with just the candy cane that you melt in there. It's up to you. Again, I like mine on the more toothpaste side. It's refreshing.
One of the things too about making your own simple syrup, it's super easy. Just half sugar, half water, or in this case, throw in your
peppermint candy. Mm-hmm.
Maybe grind it up ahead of time so it melts a little faster. No?
Toss it in the pot. It's fine.
Oh, okay. Great. You'll learn something every day.
Super easy. This is more complicated than I usually like my drinks. I'm usually a 2-ingredient type person. But I think for a party, this is really good. It's really special. So. Yeah,
and to rim it, basically took a piece of pear, rimmed it, and then had a plate of crushed candy cane, and you just roll it around. Mm-hmm. And you can do that with any drink, like a salted or a margarita or whatever, and it's a nice little addition. Mm-hmm. Okay, so drinkability.
Oh, this is another 9 for me because it's exactly what I want.
Yeah.
A spritz. I want it sweet and tart, a little bit of bitterness, and that mint is what makes it festive.
Yeah, it's an 8.5 for me. I love the presentation. Okay, and hey, everybody out there, stay safe. Mm-hmm. Happy holidays. Remember, if you want to drink a little bit less, there are a fantastic amount of fabulous alternatives out there these days. Mm-hmm. So
yeah, the new Boisson bottle shop just opened up downtown San Francisco. That's 333 Hayes Street. I really recommend stopping by there before your party and grabbing a bunch of things because they have a lot to choose from beer, wine, non-alcoholic spirits like Wilderton, and mixers, and they have a lot of great options.
Yeah, and as the non-drinker for so many years, there was so little to while everybody else is having all this fun, there's so little selection, and now with these amazing drinks, everybody else is going to want to try some too, and kind of scale back their own, not only drinking, but they'll feel better and all that kind of stuff too.
Yep.
Right. So woohoo! Happy dry December and Merry Christmas, or
or if you don't celebrate at all, have a great rest of your year.
Yeah.